How to enable secure DNS in Google Chrome. So first of all, let's clarify what secure DNS is, which is also known as DNS over HTTPS. This is a feature in Google Chrome that encrypts your DNS queries and responses. This encryption helps protect your data from hackers, advertisers, and others who may try to intercept or manipulate it. Now let's go through the steps to enable it. First of all, go to Google Chrome web browser and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security tab that is below the Autofill and Password option. Tap on it. Click on Security that is below the Add Privacy section. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see the Use Secure DNS. Turn this toggle on to keep it enabled. Enabling secure DNS makes it more difficult for anyone monitoring your internet traffic to see which websites you visit, as Chrome securely looks up the IP addresses of those sites. You can also choose a DNS provider and you can leave it set to OS default when available. Or you can also add a custom DNS service provider. Some popular options include the OpenDNS, Clean Browsing, Cloudflare, and Google's public DNS. For basic security, this step will suffice. So stay safe while browsing, and thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.